What's up, guys? When we are talking about the notion of invert, there is a things like this, and the other way is also together in the same stuff, same things, same materials. Alright? So if we are thinking through the notion of invert, these two are kind of a package, as a set of knowledge that the things could be the opposite. Alright, guys? As the mind of there is always an alternative way, this notion of the important in a way that our realization of always the things could be seen completely the opposite sometimes, alright? Not always, but sometimes the things need to be checked, need to be considered in this kind of package. There is a south side and the north side, east side and the west side, alright? Different angles, alright? So the things are not only seen as a one appearance, but from the downside, from the upside, from the horizontal side, alright? So these kind of different angles could be produced as an artist, right? Artist is the person who produce and create something that we normally even think about, but artists can create in front of us, and the artist can explain what it is looks like in their visual communication and in their performance and in their presentation, in their visual languages, alright? So as a still researcher, we are always talk about in a vocabulary of the English as a language game, as a part of language game. But if you are the student of art prep school and you are very much trained as art prep school students, then you have got to do explain these sceneries from the above. It's the way of like capturing the scenery. But the other way, for example, we could stand out here. We can also situate this photo spot of Tacross, Ashikawa Tacross, to shoot the picture. Or we can situate yourself here at the entrance of the deck north to check how to access from the north to the even more Musashi-mura. Right? So there are a lot of possibilities. There are a lot of potentialities, if you like. Depends on where you situate, right? So probably this is very much a kind of the important factor that on the day of the university examination, how to realize by yourself where you situate, right? What you are studying, right? First of all, you go to the art university's examination venue as identification of art prep school students, alright? Which means you studied a lot before you are coming here, right? So you have a set of trained, experienced knowledge and techniques, and you can carry on that with you. So this creates your kind of confidence on that day, right? So that kind of confidence could be wear automatically, so that's not so worried about it. But when you really consider about it, is, in my opinion, is that how to actually look at things as a angle, right? You are here on the south side when you are crossing the station over and you are on the north side, right? So where you are standing on, and then things appeared differently, even the opposite. So the city operates day by day, randomly and viably, right? So your action can be intentionally very much vibe, right? So like a kind of the rhythm should carry that you are trained, experienced skills and techniques, right? Your confidence is not kind of fixed in the box, but it's like more fluidity, like a liquid, right? So that's the notion of reference that you can use the techniques more easy because the time is limited presentation, so you are more flexible on the day in order to show your ability to become an artist. Guys, so what I want to say additionally tonight is that you need to be more flexible as a realization of the things could be different, depends on the angle and the viewpoint, correct? So good one. This is K from movie Tachi. So if you have any questions, the notion of Invert and the night scenery of Tachikawa, please send us an emailかなりこの立川は2階のペデストリアンデッキで行けるようになりましたんで、あとあっち側に左側に行くと立川タクロス広場です。立川タクロス広場は新しくできてます。立川モノレール北駅から直結してます。タクロス広場フォトスポットです。学科チームです。はい、ありがとうございます。もう一枚ぐらいいいですか？馬が入ります。馬と下から。馬が入ります。ありがとうございます。さっきのお子さん入れてきましたか？ありがとうございます。タクロス広場でした。立川ツアー学科チームお届けいたしました。2022年も 川街歩き動画を日本語または英語お届けしていきたいと思います。 Thank you very much indeed. This is K from Movie タチビ signing from 立川駅お外 behind me is houseじゃあ写真スポット、これは最高に151回ぐらい